Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Stacy from Stacy, Kenya, living in Germany. I'm here to share my experiences and insights about life in Germany, especially for those who are interested moving to Germany through programs like au pair program, volunteer programs, Ausbildung, and studying in Germany. Are interested in moving to Germany through any of these programs, then you are at the right place. I will help you to discover opportunities in Europe, their requirements, and how to apply, just like I did. Today I am diving into the details of applying for HIV/AIDS Conference and Scholarship in Germany 2024. If you are passionate about traveling and global health like I am, then this is an incredible opportunity you won't want to miss. First things first, mark your calendars. The application deadline is on 23rd of January 2024. Yeah, I am diving into specifics, so make sure that you do not miss out on these chance. To qualify, you need to be at least 18 years old. You see, there's no age limit. Yeah, studying, working, volunteering. Yeah, if that's you, then you are absolutely welcome to apply for HIV/AIDS Conference and Scholarship in Germany 2024. How can one apply for this HIV/AIDS Conference and Scholarship in Germany 2024? Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Please don't jump into the registration. Here is a crucial tip. Start by applying for the scholarship first, so that you won't be charged unnecessarily. I am now diving into the steps, to ensure a smooth application process for you guys. Now let's start applying. Remember, you can use your mobile phone, as I am doing. I'm using my mobile phone. You can just go to their website. I'm going to pin this link in the comment section. You can get this link down there in the comment section. I'm going to pin the comment, and you go to their website. It's already opened, as you can see, and then you can, as I mentioned earlier, do not rush into the registration. Instead, apply for the scholarship first and then register. So you see, we already opened these. We go there to first applying for the scholarship. You fill in your details, and then you are going to get a confirmation email that you have applied, and you're going to carry out from there, checking all the time. And for your CV, this is like a volunteer work. I have already done a video on how to apply, on how to create a CV using your mobile phone in German. So check it out in this video up here, how to create a German CV using your mobile phone. You can create your CV from there, and you can maybe attach. You put all your details, everything, as you can see, blah blah, address, number, all the names, everything, and then create an account. Then go to your email and see if you have been sent a confirmation that you have applied for that scholarship. Remember, taking step by step ensures you navigate the process smoothly, and I wish you good luck. If you are excited as I am about the HIV/AIDS Conference and Scholarship in Germany 2024, then hit that like button and let's embark on this journey together. Don't forget to keep on checking your emails for any update from them, or check in on their website. I'm going to pin the link in the comment section. Yeah, this is Stacy Kenya signing off. I wish you all the best on your application process. Let's see us in my next video. Auf Wiedersehen!